everybody, and happy Wednesday. If you're here with me in the Discord, YouTube, Kick, or X chat, go ahead, say what's up. Let's see who's with us. And on. We got TW, Madi, AG, J Prowse, Chrono, Ember, Master, Rick, Bear Goes, Long Zone, Matt J, Loosh, Jeff, July Peppers, Michael, Luis, Denver Cubs, Paul, Yoon, Etai, good morning. What is cracking? Noah Schwartz, Stoli, Ryu, Tomoki, Scott, Red Dog, Potechko, Living the Dream, TDG, Tom W3, Laz, Slick, Sick, no L there, Bulldog, the one and only, I Never Win, Sander DBE, Lucky Strike, JT Cook, G Jones, Travis in the Air, Day Trader Rick, JD Jitsu. Good morning to Sander DBE, J Prowse, Watson, McCrushin, Just Sean P, Nihal, BK Trades, Ali Rose, Gil. Good morning to you, Pocket Aces, Moral Matters, P Liquor is here, Chrono Ember, George Marco, Navy Guy, Baby Food, BK Trades, AFA, C Trades, Tom, Red Dog, Potechko, iWig Out, Fedster. Good morning to G Carroll, Bart, Launchpad, Mark, SFN, Yaz. Where you been, Yaz? G5, Pedro, AG. What is happening, Coach C? CK13, B, Green Juice, Dusk. Where's Rips Mod this morning? Ah? Where the... Let's see, Rips Mod on YouTube. Weird. The Fat Guy, Liberty Guy, the one and only. Yolanda, what's cracking, baby? Bar Israel, Mark, Trade Trendy, Big Pebbles. Is Apex still 80% off, by the way? I feel like that ended last night. Anybody know? It's hard for me to keep track of these things. Is Apex still 80% off? We have that Tradeify announcement coming in. Apex ended it. Okay, what is it now? What's the sale now? Looks like we're just kind of jostling around these 660s right now. It reset on Apex sale. It's still 80% off? So, does nobody know? Nobody knows. News, 10 minutes. Oh, 8:15? What? I don't know. Let me see. Oh, yeah, that's right. The November ADP. Apex took it off their website. It's still 80% off. Interesting. So it's still 80% off. Okay, good to know. Still 80% off. I wonder what the PA fees are. Channel points. Let's do it. Let's do 8:35, since we're gonna have that news coming out, and I'm gonna do this 5 minutes. Here we go. Good luck. Bing bong. $40. Yeah, we get the ADP non-farm employment change today. That's the biggest news that we're gonna get today, and then the ISM at 10 is the second biggest news that we're gonna get. So buckle in. It's gonna be bumpy. We also have the Tradeify announcement coming in less than an hour here. PA is still $40. Okay, good to know. $40 PAs, 80% off Apex. Let's go, baby. What's up, G Morgan? OP King, what's cracking, baby? Looks like gold wants to push up a little bit, It's going crazy. It's trying to make back that whole flushacito that it had. These are some trading tunes right here. Gold's pumping. pumping. Is it gonna go to 42.50? Accepting ADP 5K. It's ridiculous. Huh? I did take a trade on NQ. I'm up $3,800. I'm just looking at gold right now. We're up $3,800. A little schmackling. Yeah, this little peek at gold, 47.9. It's kind of interesting. What's NQ doing? NQ is just gathering right here betwixt 650 and 670. Get a little push in equities here. Just a small push. Bitcoin had a nice recovery. Basically the last 2 days. Trading back at 93,000. What platform are you actually executing trades on? TradingView. TradingView plugged into CQG. I can't believe it's already Wednesday. Weeks are blown by. When is the vacation? 2 more weeks after this. I'm going to be taking that whole week off. No question, I'm going to be not streaming. Is gold GCC? I don't know. Oh, no, GCG6. So 5 minutes until ADP comes out. I guess we'll watch NQ. Bitcoin looks prime for a move to the upside. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin could be trading 100K pretty soon. You just never know, baby. Oh. I think we'll get a big move at 8:15. I mean, probably not because it's delayed data, right? I mean, we'll see. I mean, I'd love volatility, so we'll just have to see what happens, maybe. It could be, but I doubt it. We'll see. It's weird. Politico had a report that said, this is why Tesla's mooning right now. Politico said that Trump admin is considering issuing an executive order on robotics. The world is moving quick, baby. What's up, evil genius? How are you? I don't want to take any trades until we have this ADP print. Anybody watch the $1 Million Hustler game last night? Just trying to catch up on clips. It's so funny, dude. Like, my morning's completely silent. I'm writing the morning memo. Everything's completely silent. And then the moment that I literally start watching the Hustler Casino thing, every fucking squawker on goddamn planet Earth will not shut the fuck up. And I can't not listen to the squawks. But it's like the moment, it's a fucking weird thing. Whenever I'm like, done, it's like complete silence for the memo. I'm writing the memo. I got all the squawks on, nobody's talking. The moment that I started to watch the $1 Million Game, they would all just not shut the fuck up. It was so annoying. And it turns out they just had nothing to say important. So fucking annoying. It's just like every single time too. It's like without fail. Whenever I ever want to watch a video before the stream, it's without fail. They just will not shut the fuck up. There's $1 Million Cash game last night. Yeah, dude. Yeah. I saw the video of Optimus jogging. I haven't seen that one yet. What's up, Anya? How are you? Your dog does this. That's funny. Yeah, so Tradeify announcement in about 45 minutes. Gonna be good. Stoked on that. All right, ADP, about 1 more minute here. Get ready. I'm not in any trades, obviously. This was the trade that I made on NQ. I should have reversed it, but it was such an obvious trade. I just wanted to trade down to that. Just, annoying. One of these days, man, I'm gonna reverse my trade, and we're all gonna be mega loaded. Why are you adamant on never promoting Clubhouse? There's absolutely no difference between the free stream that you're watching and Clubhouse. So why the fuck would you ever pay money for Clubhouse when you get exactly the same thing for free? Why the fuck would you ever do that? Use your fucking brain. You're in a fucking free stream. Stop trying to give me your fucking money. Spend it on your own life. All right, here we go. Our kick streaming slightly delayed. No, dude. Free. Free. All right, here we go. Yeah, minus 32,000. Yep. Why don't, dude? One analyst is saying the expectation was plus 40K. It was only plus 10K. I don't know why they're saying that. Wow, gold shoved it. Damn. Fuck me. Gold loved that. When is the gold open, by the way? Dude, they smack those 4250s. When is the gold open? Silver, yeah. 8:20 in 5 minutes. Okay, that's what I thought. I was like, the gold opens not at 8:15. Yeah, they shoved it for gold. Lowest ADP print since December of 2020. It's just like this little zone that they're trading is just annoying. Well, they just schmeckled somebody in gold. Should we watch the gold open? Or should we just continue watching index equities? What's up, Jeff Blazos? That's a sick name. Jeff Blazos. I like that. Long GCs from 42 spot 3. Well, let's watch the gold open together. Ah! Were you gonna be on top sub? Yeah, I'm on. I'm actually on right now. I don't know why you're not watching. I'm on Top Step TV today and Funded Futures TV and Funding Pips TV and Funding Ticks TV. I've not been here a while. Do you still show some of your trade ideas? Never. I've never showed a trade ever. I never will, so. I don't even know why you're here, man. Waste your time. Pointless. Absolutely pointless to be here. It's a complete waste of your fucking time. Promise you. Bet is going to be paid out in 17 minutes. All right, we got the gold open here in about 90 seconds. NQ's pulling back. Tagged the previous 4-hour high. Hey, there is something there. I just don't know. Gotta fail 650 first. NQ's coming to the VWAP. Microsoft's pulling back. There used to be a counter when you took a trade. No more. Yeah, no, the counter, I changed it to how many times I fucked your mom last night, JW. And it is way up there, buddy. It is so high. Because I plowed that bitch fucking 50 times last night. Plowed her like a fucking wheat field, brother. I'm trying to get you to leave, by the way. Because you're saying the dumbest fucking shit ever. I don't want you here. I think you're a fucking retard. Does that make sense? I don't want you watching this stream because I think you're a fucking retard. Does that make sense? Is that making sense to you? Go watch somebody else. Fucking loser. The fuck out of here. Uh, 650 trading. I feel like you haven't been sharing your gold open. Gold doing nothing. This is fucking hilarious, dude. I know, I really haven't been sharing much of how I feel lately. It is a shame. Let's see if we can break below these 40s here. That is a big line in the sand. Coming down a little bit. That is that previous 4-hour mid, so it really has to slam through that area for this to really kind of creep below here. Question is can it do it? Watch these 40s. Just need a little tugger nuts at the 40s. There's a lot of liquidity underneath there, but they seem to be exercising their power of controlling these offers. Right now, 45 becomes the line in the sand here. So let's wait and see if they want to tap into this at all. If they defend 50s and then rush towards those 45s again, that would be a big inclination that we have a retest coming up 40s. I'm watching at these 50s for the time being. And potentially a little wiggle back into those 45s. So there they go, testing underneath 50s, watching 45s now. If they break those 45s, it's almost certain that we're going to slam through 40s. Microsoft showing some weakness too. There's your 45 snap. Watching now if we can crater into these 40s. Right now, that's going to kind of battle out the 6850 level as well. So there is a lot of confluence at that area. If NVIDIA breaks VWAP too, we will see that really meander to the south side. You can see they are pressuring the offer right there on the S&Ps as well. So a couple contingencies here that we're looking for. The previous 4-hour mid is right at 40s. If that breaks with this violence, you'll see this probably drop to 25 or so. But you're going to have a lot of people battling at these 50s and 45s. So we're watching Microsoft here, of course. Bigger games afoot in metals. Let's see. It looks interesting. Thank you bouncing up here. 60s trading out. See if there's an opportunity here. So 60s got tagged. I want to see how they are around 55 here. Rejecting currently at that previous 4-hour mid. Tesla's popping. NVIDIA did bounce a little bit. Microsoft still showing some weakness here. Music is good this morning, too. And they're back at these 55s again. I want to see how they layer this. Tesla's on the juice right now. Moon missile. But it's coming up to this. It has to come above 437.5 for that extension to continue. Right now, we're just meandering between 50 and 60. We bounced at the previous 4-hour mid. This is intense. Right now, they're still gathering liquidity right at these 60s. So we're right back to kind of like that pre-midpoint that we were trading. Look at all of this liquidity right here. We're trading back at that midpoint right now. So if we have enough folks that want to start really kind of pushing on Tesla here, we could see this sort of popping up and maybe exchanging all the way up to these 80s. So let's see here. This song, dude. Right now, we're just hanging out in this midpoint again still. S&P's midpoint is, we're at the lower end of it. Little pullback in Tesla. Still some aggressive buying coming out of those 60s. ES should push to 69. I mean, it's got a little bit of traffic. Bottom of the hour in 2 minutes. Canadian data. Oh, we get some U.S. September import prices. So we're still hanging around those 60s. They're still taking out some of this overhead supply here. Trigger point is what? 70-ish, 72. One minute to the bottom of the hour, then we get this data. Gold is just wiggling right now. I think there's more opportunities in NQ if it starts to play nice. S&Ps are emptying their book right now. 25 seconds here till the data. Microsoft kind of flat. Nvidia pulling back, testing VWAP potentially. So there's going to be a mix of algorithms coming on and interpreting the news at the bottom of the hour here. There it goes. Flat. Completely flat. Some sellers coming in here. A little bit of defense here on the bids. Canadian data still hasn't dropped. That sounds like Pac-Man. So just kind of meandering these 50s and 60s again. Some thicker bids into these 50s, but I just want to see potentially if we could break down back to like 68.56 maybe. Yeah, there's some sellers here. Microsoft and Nvidia both showing a little bit of weakness. It's really about these 50s, I think. I feel like these algorithms are just probing for value. They're kind of seeing where most of the activity is going to be. So they brought it down to like 50s, looking for sellers. Nobody was selling into those 50s yet. So they're kind of fishing around here. Not a lot of activity yet. Volume's still a little bit low. Nvidia just flirting with the VWAP still. Uh, 68.57 evens is the line in the sand, and the S&P's 650 is the line in the sand for the NASDAQ right now. We're at the lower end of that volume shelf too, so if it wants to breach those 50s, we'll probably probe and test 40s once more, I would think. That'd make the most sense. It really is dependent on whether or not they find strong liquidity at 57 and 650. So trading back at 58 here in the S&Ps. Still pretty slow. Gold kind of doing the WD as well. I would assume that at 8:45 we'll probably get some more activity here. There we go. There's some algorithms coming in. $57, still that line in the sand on the S&Ps. Very slow in this area. It's kind of what we saw sort of happening right here. Same kind of deal. Just kind of testing either end of it. Pushing up a little bit here. All right, there's a little bit of a breakout going up towards 68.60 in the S&Ps. Gold looks like it's coming down a little bit here. So coming to this the upper range that we were trading at earlier. Nvidia bounced, Microsoft kind of holding. Starting to see a little squeeze action here. Some sellers back in the S&Ps underneath 60s. Still kind of rinsing. Watching here at 59 now in the S&Ps. Kind of interesting to see how they're transacting around this area. Meta pulling back a little bit. Bitcoin is holding. Tesla pulling back ever so slightly here. I traded a tick below 59 there for a second. 60s again in the NAS. So again, kind of just seeing what we're seeing in the pre-market here. More of the same. Taking out that 65 area again. So where did that pull back to? Pulled back to just above 60 there. And now kind of looking possibly to attack that 70 area, which was kind of close to those data highs, but not quite. Expect a $200 million impact on, that's Delta Airlines talking about the government shutdown. Really? That's impacting Delta Airlines apparently. Still seeing absorption above 60. Now we're kind of into the higher end of that earlier volume shelf. Still dancing around these 60s. Microsoft's still just like dead middle here. If Microsoft started to move, I think we'd get some clear direction here. Gold's still doing nothing. Just caught in this little range here. Kind of like the NASDAQ and the S&Ps. Pretty boring so far. This reminds me of like Globex price action right now. So there's some defense at 60s. It's just like not enough liquidity yet. How much was it, like a 30 ball? 18. It's a small iceberg there. It'll get cracked pretty easily, in my opinion. They just pushed it a little bit. Definitely somebody trying to get filled at 60. Which is kind of point of control of the area that we're focused on. That area is going to break. It's going to have a cascade of stops right below it, but there's not really anybody hammering into it yet. It's just both ways. It's just kind of shit liquidity. Currently still holding above these 60s, but just not a lot of activity. Just at the upper range here. Still underneath 860 in the S&Ps. If they break back below 57 halves, I think they could start probing for some sort of action in this price. But currently just very bland. So they're probing underneath 60s here. Let's see what's underneath 60s. They're probing for some activity here. It's very low liquidity. Still. NASDAQ, or NVIDIA, I always say NASDAQ. NVIDIA's starting to roll over a little bit here. Back to that 55 area where there's a lot of liquidity, so underneath that we could get a cascade of stops. Just watching. Back to those 50s. There's 57 halves as well. If NVIDIA breaks VWAP, that will definitely wake up the price a little bit. Microsoft rolling a little bit too. So just probing the extremities of this range right now. I'd like to see some follow through if we can get below 50 maybe. It's really up to NVIDIA here. If NVIDIA breaks below 183, then we'll actually see this activity unfold in the NASDAQ. Those bids evaporate if NVIDIA snaps 183s. But it's all contingent on that. You can see they're pushing into it, pressing and pressing. I think the unders win here, right? Yep, unders are going to win this. Let's do another one. 905. Maybe 5 minutes for this one. So NVIDIA is still threatening to break lower. That's what the NASDAQ is reflecting here. You can see how those bids are starting to loosen up when NVIDIA is threatening that break. It is dancing. There's an iceberg here just above 57 halves in the S&P. Amazon holding, Nvidia threatening the break, Microsoft threatening a roll. A lot of things contingent right now, where this price actually could really start to open up. Coming into the top of the hour too could really spark that price. So we'll have to see. Still very low liquidity. They slapped that 20 bid pretty easily there. They're going to face check this 50. Watching here. Would really like more volume to start coming in. Still pretty thin. A little bounce from Nvidia there. So pulling back to those extremities there. Rejecting. Didn't even face check 50s really. But we are seeing some offer side defense above 55 there. I would like more volume to be coming in. Is gold doing? Gold's pushing up a little bit. Uh, 9 a.m. news, let's see. There might be. No, 9:15. 9:15 we get some news. So top of the hour we'll only have algorithms turning on. That's pretty much it. We're just dealing with the same story that we've had for the last, I don't know, 30 minutes. Basically since the news print at 8:50. Well, it's 30 minutes. Exactly the same story here. It's just between 57 and 60 in the S&Ps and 50 and 65 in the NASDAQ here. Definitely some more volume coming in here, which is definitely welcome. Let's see if it gives us any clear direction. So 10 minutes now till the top of the hour. So definitely a little bit of volume coming in. I might be trying to check those 60s again. Gold still, yeah, gold's still kind of pushing a little bit. So yeah, they're just like checking either side, 60s, checking into weakness. Probably back down to 55 here. Nvidia's barely moving. Microsoft's barely moving. Probably at the top of the hours when we'll start to get some real liquidity coming in here. No stops over 60 on gold. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's starting to sweep. Wow, there goes gold. Sick. Yeah, gold's screaming. Crazy. Gold's getting loose. Crazy. Hell of a squeeze. So we're what, up over the previous week high now in gold? Coming back to earth a little bit. Still squeezing. Definitely popping up here. Let's see if it breaks above these 70s now. Some people are selling that. So 70s big rejection there in gold. See if it wants to pop up and over again. Crazy pullback. Yeah, still some sellers aggressively up here below these 70s. I don't want to see this squeeze and pop into those 70s once more. Look at that defense into those 70s. If it just pops above those 70s again, they're going to get these stops popping very loose. Really is the line in the sand here. It's a Monday high, right? Monday mid, rather. Let's see how this offer goes. Watching. That offer is going to attract price too, because it allows people who are getting squoze into GTFO. I really want to see it pop above those 70s and race towards 75. See if it has the juice. A lot of displacement potential up above those 70s. See if they want to open this up a little bit above 70. Some aggression still. I think there's some buy stops above 72 as well that we could target. Let's see how aggressive they push into this 40 lot. Very aggressive. So watching again here. Big aggression. Watching above 70 for the potential blowout here. 72, there's going to be a lot of stops. Just need to see this follow through and aggression. Watching 72 here. There's a big area. $72 needs to blow out. There's a huge stop run above 72. Everything is on 72 right now. Watching. Right above 72, it gets loose. Watch this. If it can just break that 72 with cleanness, it's right there. Literally right there. Wow, I'm missing this fucking trade in NASDAQ right now too. Fuck. I just need the 72 to pop. Man, just get it done. It's literally right there. The stop run is triggered at 72. Just do it. So fucking bullshit. Ah, fucking stupid. Fucking A. God, you are fucking kidding me on this. Piece of shit. Dude, come on, just do it. Just fucking do it, dude. Just fucking do it. You pussies. It's right there, dude. The fucking Jesus Christ, 2 times today. Literally right fucking there. There you go. There you go, you little bitch. You fucking bitch. I'm gonna suck that fucking dick, you little bitch. Fuck you. All right. 47,000. Whee! So annoying. Dude, I was up fucking 70K in gold. Do you know what I closed gold for? Negative 30. I lost on the initial NASDAQ trade, I lost 37K. Gold. Well, no, you know what? I actually think I made $3,000 in gold now that I think about it. But yeah. Oh, the language. What are you, fucking 5 years old, you fucking bitch? Oh, the language. Suck my fucking cock, you loser. The language. Fucking toughen up, you pussy. Fucking stupid cock-sucking cunt. The language. Go fucking watch somebody else then, you fucking retard. I missed the fucking real trade, dude. I missed a $200,000 fucking trade because I'm sitting there in gold waiting for the stop to trigger. That was so fucking annoying, dude. God. Oh, it's so fucking annoying, dude. Fucking gold, dude. Cost me so much money. Thank God, though, I got out of gold. Holy shit. I would have been fucked. Oh, my God. Good out there, Ripsy. Let's go, baby. Good fucking out. I'm so mad. I'm so fucking mad, dude. I was short NQ. I got squeezed. I popped out of the NQ with a fucking loss. Like, you want to see where I got popped out of fucking NQ? You ready for this? You want to see my fucking print? Oh, there's Ripsy's print. There's my stop order getting fucking triggered. Oh, man, look at this fucker. Man. So yeah, Microsoft said to lower AI software sales quotas as customers hold off on uptake of new products. Horrible for Microsoft. Anybody wants to go see my order? Let's see if there's any... Oh, God, dude. I knew it was a fucking short. I should have never fucking... Damn, Microsoft's getting fucking clobbered right now. It's crazy. Underneath the monthly open now. Who said Santa Rally? God, dude, what would that have been? Fuck. Yeah, so that was a $400,000 trade that we missed out on. Thank you, Gold. Appreciate you. 400,000. I love you, Gold. Thank you, buddy. If Microsoft breaks 480, we got more. $480 is the line in the sand in Microsoft. There it goes. All right, 56,000 now. They're gonna do some bullshit at 480 here. $20 minutes till the opening bell, boys. You guys do realize that fucking gold cost me 200 grand or 400 grand. I had the trade on. I had the fucking trade on. I was short. I got stopped out. I didn't make 400 G's, dude. I made fucking bullshit. 56K, dude. It's fucking horseshit. I made the same as what a modem used to be. 56K. Fucking horseshit. I had the fucking trade on, dude. I had the fucking trade on. My average short. Let me see what my average was here. It's not gonna show that to me. My average price short was 641.50. 641.50. Let's see. Let's just do the fucking stupid math. 641.5 minus 462. I would have made 359,000 if I would have held it the whole way. Oh well. Fucking gold cost me. That fucking stop getting pop stopped me. Or cost me. I'm miserable. I'm fucking angry. That is a rare time when I go from NASDAQ to gold to NASDAQ. I was right about gold too. I just didn't get the fucking pressure point at 72. And then we had the event of Microsoft, which stopped 72 from getting tagged because I'm guessing that everybody long gold rolled out and went to Microsoft. Or went to NASDAQ and S&Ps. Oh, fuck. I was up so much on gold too. And I literally had to fucking get out like right when it started to roll. It's so annoying. Ugh. I would have held NQ for sure. You know, worst case scenario is I make fucking 150K or something. I don't know, man. I'm very frustrated right now, man. What a morning, what a morning, what a morning. Y'all want to see my stop now that I'm not going to fucking trade this? Because it's just too kind of dodgy right now. So my stop got popped here. This was my stop. Look at that. How cool is that? 68 is my fucking stop. I didn't miss the whole trade. I got enough. But it's not that I didn't have it on. I was quite confident the structure was suggesting that we're going to roll. Did I think that we're going to roll past here? No. But I was pretty confident in the trade. So I put 100 on. What time was that at? 5:53. So here, let's go look at the order book because all of this is fake, right? Who likes the Tron music this morning, by the way? Hey, look, there I am. How fun. Isn't that cool? Isn't it great getting stopped the fuck out? Look at how much I moved the market. Oh, by the way, this is volume not moving the market, guys. This is an order not moving the market right here. Because volume doesn't move the market. Your little fucking gay boxes move the fucking market. That's what happens. You draw your little fruity boxes on the fucking screens and that's what moves the market. Certainly not volume, guys. Your fruity little boxes, your fruit stands. Fucking draw.
I'm not so sure he trades a real account. I'm not so sure.
Fruit value gap, yeah. That's what ICT loves to get filled every day. He's like,
fill my fruit value gap.
Loves to get that shit pushed in. Like the fucking cocksucking bitch he is. Hello from Australia. Good day, mate. I had a friend from Australia. He used to take down a lot of women. We called him Roddy the Jackhammer. It was Roddy the Jackhammer from Brisbane. Funny how much they hate each other. Who? What are you talking about? ICT only hates me because he wishes he could be me. I hate ICT because he's a scamming fat fuck old piece of shit. You want to see the biggest missed trade? Well, there you go. That was the biggest missed trade of the year right there. Fucking stupid. That's like my bread and butter, man. The fact that I only made 56K on that is pathetic. Well, I actually made more. I was just in the red. You know what? Actually, I made about 100K because I think it's in the red going to that red 40K or red 30K, red 35. That was a blessing, that move. That was a fucking blessing, dude. If that move doesn't come, by the way, we get that 72 blowout in gold and I still make money, but I don't make that much money. Yeah, gold was going to do what it was going to do, but we had that event at Microsoft. I'm telling you, people rotate out of gold. Like, I rotated out, dude. I rotated out of gold at 100 on in gold. I rotated the fuck out of gold. I think I made $3,000 profit in gold, even with slippage. Anyone know what happened? Microsoft announced that their AI sales are going to be down because nobody wants their shit. Pretty much it. I told you that they're going to do some fuckery at 480. 480 is trading Microsoft. 480 evens. I knew they were going to do some fuckery. So fucking pissed right now. Oh, God. Furious right now. Maybe we just go straight to killing. I don't even want to fucking trade for the rest of the day. This is so fucking stupid. Dude, in my head, I'm just like, you have to understand, that 72, I'm so sure about that 72 stop run. I'm thinking we're going to run 72 to 82. That's $100,000 more. I was already at like plus 50K in the trade. So that's going to be a $150,000 trade. I'm watching Microsoft and I'm watching the news out of the corner of my eye. So you're presented with this opportunity of like, do we wait for 72 to pop and do a 10-point run? Or do we just pull out like a bitch, you know? But 72 came, and then it started to roll. I'm out. I flip into NQ, barrel in short 100 as fast as I can. My quantity was set to like 3, so I had to change that. Like I'm fucking hammering the button. So this is what it's like when you're managing real money on the line and you have to make a split-second decision. And think about it this way: if I don't react at all, I probably lose how much would I have lost on gold there? Because my average was like pretty shit. Let's just say I lose 200 grand. Like, let's just say 150. I lose 150K more. I'm down $200,000 on the day if I don't react. Like, you have to be fucking reacting, dude. Trading is about reacting. Trading is about moments in time. If you want to be a momentum trader, you have to be in there. You have to be reacting. Like, and who gives a fuck if it looks pretty or not? Like, do you think I'm proud of like pulling out 100 on gold like that? Do you think I'm proud of stopping out on NQ? Like, It's never gonna be fucking pretty. If you're more worried about getting pretty charts instead of making money, like you're not gonna make it. Stop trading the PNL, bro. You were epic last month, not trading your PNL. What the fuck are you even talking about? What are you even fucking talking about? What do you think I'm trading for? Fucking paper money? What the fuck does that even mean? Don't trade for PNL? No, I trade for funsies, bro. The fuck are you talking about? How fucking retarded are you people? Like, seriously, how fucking retarded are you? The fuck am I doing? Like, what do you think I'm fucking trading for free? The fuck are you talking about? What a fucking idiot you are. Jesus Christ. The fuck is wrong with, like, dude, swear to God, like a lot of the fucking YouTube retards came to kick. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? How retarded of a thing to say you are. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? You stop trading for PNL. Oh, I'm trading to pass my account, you fucktard. Stupid fucking cocksucker. You got a laughing face? Get the fuck out of here, you fucking loser. Fuck out of here. Stupid fucking cocksucker. It's people like that that'll just be like, you know what? Fuck this stream, dude. I'm fucking over it. Dealing with a bunch of fucking retards all morning. It's people like that, dude. Like, you guys should be calling these people out a lot sooner. Like, put them in on fucking notice. Check their asses. Fucking retards, dude. I already banned him. Fucking retard. Yeah, I'm probably not going to trade for the rest of the day. I'm too heated right now. Fucking. Plow his mom's wheat field after that. Yeah. Oh, God. Damn, dude. Fuck yeah. Let's go, TW. Made 6 G's on that. Fuck yeah, baby. I'm fucking miserable, dude. There's no denying I'm fucking miserable, man. I'm absolutely fucking miserable. Because I feel like, you know, I mean, it could have gone worse. I always think it could have gone worse, but man, I was right on the move. I'm pissed that I got stopped out. I moved into gold. I was up on gold. And then the event happened when I was up a lot in gold, and I didn't cover when I was up a lot, and I covered when it started to cascade back down. So, is what it is. I'm sorry, like, I get, yeah, okay, you're up money, but like, dude, I should be up a lot more money. I'm costing myself future gains, or I'm costing myself, you know, like, I want to make the maximum amount. I did not make anything close to the maximum amount on that. It was a fucking perfect trade, too. Exactly, dude. Potechko says it. Bro, it's not about the money, it's about performing correctly. I agree 100%, dude. 100%. It's exactly what it is. It's crazy because, dude, the order flow, they fucking knew that announcement was going to come out. Like, that's why I was short so much. The order flow was like, I didn't think we were going to do that, but like the order flow was screaming to me like, dude, this is not right. They're fucking, like, people were positioning higher and higher and higher. The person who took the counterparty to my stop trade, it made great money. Oh, God, it's so annoying. That guy made so much money. Whoever took my, my stop. He sold my stop. Dude, fat guy, you saw that, right? You saw the 72 buildup? Dude, it was right there. God, dude, that would have been a 10-point run. I swear to God, you could see it starting to break loose at the 70s. Bro, I swear to God, if that Microsoft thing just delayed for 10 more minutes, I swear to God, we make 150K on that gold trade. I swear to God, dude. Was down 2K, back positive 300. Thanks for your comms while I was at work. He saved me. Nice, man. Oh, man. Prediction points. Did I not pay these? 905. Let's see. Sorry, I was trading. I think the Belows are going to win this one. Yeah. God, dude, the order flow is screaming short. It's so annoying that we, like, dude, just do the announcement earlier, man. Fuck. Such a sick trade. Oh, wow, Microsoft did break 480. Yeah, look at that. I kind of just want to lock up and gamble. I'm not in the right mindset to continue trading here. That's what I'm going to probably do. I go on kick right now. We're done, at least for now. I'm going to go on kick. I'll see you guys later.